Hi friends, welcome to Mindfulness Practice with Flowers and Leaves. Today I am going to show a small craft with flowers, leaves and a small cardboard piece. While doing this craft, I would like to share some steps I am following for this practice. First, you have to choose a calm, comfortable spot, either indoors or outdoors. For me, it is my garden. Now I am collecting some flowers and leaves for my craft. Second step is taking a few deep breaths. These give us relaxation and make us center ourselves. Next, third one, the most important one is observation. Hold a flower or a leaf in your hand. Observe its colors, shapes, textures, and patterns. Notice the veins in the leaves, the petals, delicate structures, or the scent of the flower. Next, fourth one, engage your senses. When you're successful in observation, then it is easy to engage your senses. Use all your senses to fully engage with the flower or leaf. Feel its texture, smell its fragrance, and look at it closely from different angles. Now, the fifth step is stay present. Focus solely on the flower or leaf. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the object in your hand and the craft you are making. Now, reflect on nature. Contemplate the natural beauty and complexity of the flower or leaf. Next, breathing with the nature. Sync your breathing with your observations. For instance, inhale slowly while observing the intricate details and exhale while appreciating its beauty. Next, express gratitude for the moment and natural world. Acknowledge the peace and calm this practice brings. When you feel ready, gently place the flower or leaf down. Take a few breaths to close your mindfulness session, carrying the sense of peace and mindfulness with you. This simple practice can help cultivate a deeper connection to nature and enhance your mindfulness, bringing a sense of calm and clarity to your day. Friends, when you feel ready, gently place the flower or leaf down. Take a few breaths to close your mindfulness session, carrying the sense of peace and mindfulness. This simple practice can help you cultivate a deeper connection to nature and enhance your mindfulness, bringing a sense of calm and clarity to your day. Today, I make this beautiful craft while practicing mindfulness with flowers and leaves. Now, I bring it to my room also. Thank you. Friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Village Skills. Thank you. Thank you very much.